Students from RS MBA 4 are here to present a research paper on the topic impact of brand fidelity on buying behavior on female consumers for cosmetic products, Delhi region. Let's start with the definition first. What is brand fidelity? Brand fidelity is the consumer's conscious or unconscious decisions that are uttered through the intention of behavior to repurchase a particular brand habitually. There are numerous sets of definition of brand fidelity. As I am a lady, I am a female, I know how to buy a product. If I am buying a product continuously, same brand, I know what my product is all about. If I am aware about my product, it's all about brand awareness. It's about brand fidelity. There are two conditions of brand fidelity. There customers are loyal towards the brand because of high switching barriers related to the technical, economical, psychological factors which make it costly or difficult for the customers to change. When I am purchasing a product, if I am purchasing a cosmetic product, I know if I am economically strong, psychologically strong, I will buy it more and more. Next, the customer may be loyal because they are satisfied with the brand that they want to continue the relation with. If I am using the brand, if I am satisfied with the brand, cosmetic brand, I will continue with it. I will not discard it or will change it. Next, the attributes of brand fidelity. There are four main and important attributes of brand fidelity. That's quality, price, promotion, and brand. If my cosmetic product provides a brand, like we ladies don't purchase a very local brands when it comes to cosmetics. Price, if my pocket is economical, if I will buy it, don't matter. If it matter on my pocket. Promotion, like we buy Lakme, Revlon, we buy products only when it's brand, when it promoted brand. It's obvious. Next is research objectives. What are our objectives towards the paper? To review the dynamic which influence females' buying behavior, to inspect the global contribution of brand fidelity for female buying behavior of cosmetic care products, to inspect the traits which female ponders while purchasing cosmetic care products, to examine the female consumer, how they portray the brand image, and last, to examine the brand switching behavior of the females. Now, the research methodology. The study is exploratory in nature.
Males भी use कर रहे हैं मतलब.
Yes, sir.
Cosmetics are used more by males.
So, but it's basically stricken to female more than male.
The topic is female.
Fair and lovely. आप तो fair
Sir,
and
Garnier
handsome.
also.
Yes, sir. Obviously, sir.
Garnier also.
Garnier is also.
Yeah, just to clarify, the topic is female consumer behavior.
So next time we will come to both.
Don't be gender biased.
No,
Next
sir.
time
We were a bit gender biased because we both are female, you know. Okay, well.
Big round of applause.
Sample of 257 respondents by women consumer of beauty care products. The data for this study is acquired from primary source as well as secondary sources. The Likert scale were used for scaling the questionnaires, and sample unit considered for the study included housewives, self-employed females, students, and service class people. And next part will be continued by Shruti.
Thank you, Anjali. Thank you for explaining all these things. And now I'll be explaining you the data interpretation part and analysis, how we concluded the conclusion and findings eventually. The first was demographic features. First is age, that is impact of age group on female buying behavior for cosmetic care products. We concluded that age group of 23 to 30 years purchase the cosmetic products the most.
What is the reason behind?
Only because of our friend group falls in the 23 to 30
No,
group.
marriageable age.
Yeah. Next. And the second, like the feature is impact of occupation on female buying behavior for cosmetic care products. The occupation which we followed. The second is students uses the cosmetic products the most. Third.
नहीं फिर आपको दोनों चीज गलत हो गई ना.
Sir, like we are MBA students, we are of age of 23 and 25. We are also college going students, so we can consider that.
नहीं अभी 23 थोड़ी हुए होंगे.
Yes, I'm 23. She's also.
So we have
23.
turned 23. And the third factor is expenditure. Expenditure occurred by female for cosmetic care products is below 1,000. Female only they have only less than 1,000 for their pockets for the cosmetic care products.
No, I differ. They have 3 vanity boxes. One in their car, one in the office, one in the home. 1,000, sorry.
Is it weekly, monthly, day per day, or
So it's
Sir-
monthly expenditure. We can say.
Quarterly.
Sir,
This seems, just 1 minute.
Also, sir.
This seems to be evoking a lot of interest. May I suggest that let them finish and then we'll give them another 10 minutes for handling questions and answers. I have a lot of questions too. You've aroused my curiosity. Right, proceed, please.
And the next one is the facts prompting female buying behavior. Here we concluded that 71% of female respondents believe that quality is the most important factor for purchasing cosmetic products. Like women do look the quality the most, like they have the first most factor for purchasing the cosmetic, they look for the quality. And the second is the brand. The 56% of them look for brand as well. Next one. The acuity of female towards brand fidelity. Here acuity is a synonym given for perception. Like we concluded that 50% of the respondents feel neutral for the cheapest products are as good as expensive products. They are neutral that cheapest products are not as good as the expensive products are. Next. And the next is inspiration in procuring cosmetic care products. Like we get inspired the most from our friends. Like if my friend is using a gel kajal, I do look forward to it and use the gel kajal as well. Aspects affecting the decision making for a particular brand. Here, 43% of the respondents get affected by advertisement at the time of making choice for selecting a particular brand and feel that is important. Similarly, women feel that price is equally an important aspect to choose a cosmetic care product. Finally, we can come to our findings and conclusion, and we concluded certain aspects, that is, quality is the major factor first. Second, women deem price and brand, which purchasing branding cosmetic products like price and brand are two factors which mull over women the most. Female always use some brands out of habit. Like if I use Revlon, I'll use Revlon again. If Anjali is using some kind of Maybelline brand, she'll use the Maybelline brand again and again. On the contrary, respondents do love trying new brands. Like obviously if Anjali will tell me to use a similar brand lipstick, I'll do look over it once in a while. Friends and families are the most strongest reference groups we refer to the most. Brand ambassadors are the least measured one. Like if Kareena Kapoor will be advertising some kind of mascara, I'll never get it, even if she's my favorite heroine. Students and service sector women which uses the cosmetic the most. Quality guarantee is a recognized brand and make them brand loyal. Like if I'm getting the most product and it's giving me the best quality, I'll use it again and again. Thus, it make me brand loyal. Female switch brand from brand to another considering quality, brand, and price. Here, these are the conclusions. Thank you so much. Any queries?
No, I had a very strong reservation about your presentation, because when we ask a lady, what is your brand? They normally say OP brand. And other people brand, they say, okay, what lipstick you are using, just pass it on to me. Let me just apply. I have seen this because we have testers over there in these cosmetic shops and ladies are more interested to use those testers and come out as compared to what. So they go for window shopping more for the branded cosmetics as compared to really doing the shopping. And secondly, when you are talking in terms of quality in cosmetics, I don't understand what is the concept of quality.
So nowadays there are herbal products that are coming.
No, quality like we say fair and lovely, 7 days. पहले दिन का चेहरा, दूसरे दिन का चेहरा. Can we say so? से 7 दिन में मेरा बिल्कुल चेहरा सफेद हो गया. I don't understand the quality you are talking
This
of.
quality is all about when you are using a product
Yes,
on a regular basis. If you are continuously using it, you are just based on the quality. Like
Kaya
if
Skin
the
Clinic.
quality is bad within 1 week, so how can you continue?
I think there is an advertisement for Kaya Skin Clinic. ड्राइवर गाड़ी बाहर निकालो. मैडम आप मेरी मैडम नहीं है, मेरी मैडम की पूना वाली छोटी बहन है. So the age has come down because of using some cosmetics. Can I say so? Because advertising is nothing but it is hope.
Yes.
We sell hopes.
Yes, sir.
I don't understand that how exactly we will be in a position to quality.
For example, sir, there are certain kind of products like kajals that last for 12 hours, last for like certain hours. So if they are lasting for that much time, that relates to the quality thing.
Okay.
So that.
But again, I think it is more relative. एक बाल ना काटो, pouch काटो. Godrej color मेहंदी.
Okay, sir.
So I think I don't understand what exactly it is.
Well, one thing is very clear. Professor Mittal seems to be an expert on the subject. And I wonder whether his wife knows that he's such an expert. Anyway, questions from the audience. As a matter of fact, why didn't you take a poll? Because some of the things that you brought up, there are so many ladies present, and they'd be able to give you a response. Like, for example, how many of you stick to your brand out of loyalty? How many of you stick to your brand out of loyalty? Yeah. So, is cost a factor? How many is cost a factor? To how many is quality a factor? So there you are. It's quality.
It's a quality thing.
It's quality thing. So you got your answers.
Yes.
But anyway, now please, since we have everyone has been very circumspect and stuck to time, we have a little bit of time on hand before 4:30, before we break for tea. So any more questions for the ladies? I think they've thrown up some very interesting arguments. Okay, I have a question. No, don't judge me on the question, please. Okay. What in your opinion is the primary factor that would make a lady switch from a particular product, say a lipstick, same color, everything being identical? What is it that would make her switch?
So that it lasts for longer time than the another brand that my brand.
So the main aspect which we use it like brand, quality and price. If I am buying a product, like
We've just seen that price is not an issue.
It's about quality. If
Brand
I am
is not
buying-
an issue, it's quality.
If I am buying a product, a cosmetic product of XYZ company and a Maybelline company, so obviously everybody is a XYZ company, nobody going to opt. Everybody going to opt on Maybelline. When it's come to Maybelline, it's just example. When you come to Maybelline, the price is high, the quality is high, and it's a brand name. So it comes overall.
Like it's a package.
It's a package of all.
Got it. Okay. Any further questions before we let these ladies depart? All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much,
very
sir.
On the same topic? Okay. One last another observation from Professor Mittal.
The beautiful woman of the world never applied Olay on her skin.